Hey people! So yesterday, being a Sunday, I made sure to watch this Netflix original film called Mrs. Serial Killer on Netflix, and it's by Sirish Kunder, the husband of Farah Khan. He's written, directed, uh, I think screenplay, everything is by him. So this particular movie, it stars Jacqueline Fernandez and Manoj Bajpayee and Mohit Raina. The he acted as Shiv Bhagwan and on TV. So I mean, Mrs. Serial Killer is just, it's like Jacqueline Fernandez steals the show. I mean, you need to watch that movie for her because she's able to display such a range of emotions. Yeah, I mean, man, uh, like I mean, after this movie, I think people will no longer, I mean, to approach her just for all these item songs and all is just such a disservice to her talent. Yeah, she's really got it in her to be a star. Like, I mean, when you watch this movie, you realize. And Manoj Bajpayee, his is a villainous character, but he's got such comic timing. Yeah, I mean, it's such a gift when a person is like, my God, it was a revelation for me because we normally associate Manoj Bajpayee with all these serious characters, and Mohit Rena is a person who's, my God, he's actually hero material, and no wonder, like, he kind of ruled the TV industry for as playing Shiv Bhagwan and things. So even here, there is something very likable about him, Mohit Raina. And finally, like, Sirish Kunder, when we had to speak about him, it's this, the- it's a very brave film, and the whole storyline, like, they are able to tie up the loose ends. So it's, I mean, at the end of watching it, you would be like, man, what a story. I mean, like, both in a good and bad sort of way, because at certain places you have to kind of, suspend your logic. But the whole thing is, I like how there is this certain explanation given in the movie that people who turn serial killers and all also, invariably they've had like incredibly sad past, so that is something that it's kind of conveyed in this movie. But amazing, yeah, it is a very honest, very, like, बहुत it's a very honest effort, so Mrs. Serial Killer. So you all can watch it, people. It's on Netflix, and it's one of those films that you really can't predict the next scene because it is so like out there. I mean, it's a very different sort of film. It doesn't follow that regular formula, right, of movies, whatever. So it's worth checking out for Jacqueline Fernandez and Manoj Bajpayee, and there were these two other characters who are in prominence in the movie. But you all can watch it, Mrs. Serial Killer on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.